Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we have this wallpaper, the lock screen one. Just to change it, we should open the settings and then tap here to the temp and lock screen section, then click to the My Wallpaper. Now we can select our new wallpaper from our device gallery here, just to use the top ones here, and now we can use our gallery or Google Photos. For example, let's use our device gallery. Now we can see that we have now unfortunately any photos or videos. We can use now just our camera to add the photo here. So let's take a picture. After that, let's just go back, and now we can see here that we have the photo in our device gallery. We can use this photo to set it on the lock screen of our device. So just to do that, tap here, click more, and tap set wallpaper, click apply, and we want to set it on our lock screen. So just wait a second. We can see the message that this applied successfully, this wallpaper, and now we can see the changes here. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first you should hold for a while one from your device home screens, for example this one, and then tap on the left down corner to wallpaper icon. Just tap here once, and now we can see here the online wallpapers or just default. We can tap here also to more to see all the wallpapers here. For example, let's use this one. Just tap to apply and select lock screen. Wait a second. Now we can see that configuration is successful. Let's just lock the device, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.